हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द न्यू वीडियो फ्रॉम निम्बस कैटलिस्ट। दोस्तों, आज का जो टॉपिक है दैट इज अ हॉट टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन, दैट इज अबाउट ऑफलाइन कोचिंग वर्सेस ऑनलाइन कोचिंग। लेट मी टेल यू दैट current world is a VUCA world. VUCA is basically volatility, lot of uncertainty is there, complexity is there, ambiguity is there. So दोस्तों, because of lot of uncertainty, ambiguity is there, most of the MBA aspirants are not able to take a call whether they should go ahead with online coaching or they should go ahead with offline coaching. So that is why I've made this video. And let me tell you friends, once you go through this video, you will have the entire clarity and you will be able to take your decision whether you want to go ahead with online coaching or offline coaching. So before I begin this video, I will just quickly take you through our institution, Nimbus Catalyst. Nimbus Catalyst is one of the premium institution which deals into the coaching of MBA entrance exam. Friends, let me tell you, our online course is really gearing up. Our course content is very comprehensive, very easy to understand, and our faculty is subject matter expert, best in class faculty. And the best part is that you can experience this course by calling at this number 75290 81100. So friends, बात करते हैं methodology की. We believe in building foundation. So we start with basic concepts, basic techniques की बात की जाएगी. Once you learn that, then lot of practice exercises will be given so that you can reinforce those learning. Then lot of doubts which will come, our faculty is 24/7 available to clear those doubts. And once you move up the ladder friends, आपके जितनी भी रिवीजन करनी है, recorded videos, everything is available so that you can build yourself. And the final part is mock test series. We are having the one of the best mock test series, and let me tell you, it will tell you your current level, it will assess your level and will tell you how you will be placed in the competitive environment. So बात करते हैं दोस्तों हमारी ऑफरिंग्स की. वी हैव अ वेरी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव स्टडी मटेरियल. आपको इससे बाहर कुछ भी पढ़ने की, कोई भी वीडियो देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Our online sessions, we have all the sessions live, interactive sessions. आप हमारे फैकल्टी से कोई भी डाउट्स पूछ सकते हैं and they will be more than happy to clear those. Mock test series, we have full length sectional test, and other than CAT, SNAP, ZAT, MAT, all those sectional tests are and the full length tests are available. Advanced course, friends, we will not restrict you to the only the difficulty level of the entrance exam. हम आपको उससे एक स्टेप आगे लेके जाएंगे सो दैट आपकी एक्यूरेसी, आपकी स्पीड सबसे बेटर हो सके और आप अपने आप को कॉम्पिटिटिव इन्वायरमेंट में एक कंफर्टेबली प्लेस कर सके. So friends, this is our special features of our online coaching. I've already discussed with you, and let me tell you friends, we have two courses, two programs which we are currently running. One is CAT Elite online program which is for the year 2020, and the second is CAT E Plus program which is for the year 2021. So दोस्तों बात करते हैं ऑफलाइन वर्सेस ऑनलाइन कोचिंग की, जो हमारा टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन है टुडे. ऑफलाइन कोचिंग जो है बेसिकली इट्स अ क्लासरूम कोचिंग. इसमें यू हैव टू गो टू द इंस्टीट्यूट, यू हैव टू अटेंड क्लासेस एंड यू हैव टू कम बैक. इट्स अ ट्रेडिशनल वे ऑफ क्लासेस. बात करते हैं ऑनलाइन कोचिंग की. ऑनलाइन कोचिंग जो है इट इज प्योरली बेस्ड ऑन टेक्नोलॉजी. सो यू कैन अटेंड क्लासेस एट योर स्वीट ओन टाइम, एट योर स्वीट ओन प्लेस. आप घर से कर सकते हैं, आप कहीं और बैठे हैं, आप वहां से भी क्लासेस अटेंड कर सकते हैं. सो इट इज बेसिकली अ वर्चुअल मोड. इसमें आप स्काइप से, जूम से, whichever mode which is available, you can attend classes. बात करते हैं दोस्तों कि before I actually get into online coaching or offline coaching, I just want to tell you or will brief you what is happening around us nowadays. Because of the unprecedented outbreak of pandemic COVID-19, we all are feeling insecure because our life has changed. The way we used to meet people, we can't meet them now. The way we have to maintain social distancing, the way we used to even buy vegetables or fruits, that has also changed. We have started using technology. अभी अगर हमें अपने relatives से बात करनी है तो we will talk them through video call. We cannot go and meet them, right? So a lot of things have changed, and even for the extent people used to go to office and attend office, but nowadays they are attending office from their own sweet home. So friends, let me tell you, whatever we are facing around, it is a new normal. And we will gradually become mature enough, and we will start believing that this is a normal thing. So similarly, even offline versus online coaching, the thought process which we currently have कि classes तो हमेशा classroom से ही होनी चाहिए, let me tell you, this paradigm is going to break, and the new thought process is going to come that online classes is a similar thing like attending the classroom classes. So friends, बात करते हैं ऑफलाइन कोचिंग और ऑनलाइन कोचिंग की, कि the major thing which is there is the major objective of coaching. What is the objective of coaching? हमें कोचिंग चाहिए क्यों है? Coaching, if you see, the basic objective of coaching is to develop yourself, to be prepared yourself for the competitive exam, right? So that you can score well, and ultimately you are able to crack a good B school for getting into that, right? But what is happening, हम अपने आप को डेवलप करने से पहले ये सोचते जा रहे हैं कि क्या हमें ऑफलाइन कोचिंग में जाना है या ऑनलाइन कोचिंग में जाना है, in a manner that we are wasting lot of time. Let me tell you friend, both the options are, have their advantages and disadvantages, but the major objective should be that our learning should not suffer. एक बहुत प्यारा कोट है which says time wasted is time lost forever. So friends, please remember that. Let us not waste time, and we should actually get into the learning part of it. अब हमारे पास learning के दो mechanism है. One is offline learning and other is online learning. तो दोनों के जो advantages and disadvantages हैं, pros and cons, and let's discuss about that. So the first part is flexibility of time. Now, in case of offline classes, you have to commute, you have to attend classes sitting in the classroom, so you don't have flexibility of time. But in online coaching, even if you are wherever you are, you have the flexibility of attending the classes. So that is one advantage of online coaching, and it is the major advantage. Cost effective. दोस्तों, बहुत सारे जो एस्पिरेंट्स हैं, MBA एस्पिरेंट्स हैं, दे कम अप एंड से कि सर हम इतना बजट नहीं है हमारा, बिकॉज ऑफलाइन कोचिंग इज अ कॉस्टली अफेयर with respect to the online coaching. So let me tell you that online coaching is cost effective, and there is nothing which is getting suffered in that. So you can go ahead with online coaching. There is no issue. If you are, but if you have this cost constraint, then you should go ahead with online coaching. Next is study material. दोस्तों, if I talk about offline coaching, you will be given with lot of hard content, hard copies, hard books, wherein you will feel some of the content is outdated. But when it comes to the online coaching, you will find all the recorded videos, all the live sessions are relevant, and it is updated. So that is one thing which I wanted to share about study material, and both the materials are comprehensive. That's not the challenge. Offline is also comprehensive and online is also comprehensive, but online will help you to utilize your time effectively. Next point is quality of lectures. Now herein I will like to state friends कि offline coaching also have advantages in this. When you are attending a session wherein faculty is directly interacting with you, the quality of lecture will be better because there is a personal connect with the faculty, having a personal connect with the student, wherein in case of online session the personal connect will not be there. So that is one thing which you might not get or might not feel when you are attending an online session. However, the quality of lecture being delivered in online session will be much higher because your faculties will be best in class, because your recorded session has to get recorded once. But in case of offline sessions, there are variety of faculties which are available. Sometimes you will get to hear from the best faculties, but sometimes the learning might suffer. So that is how quality of lecture. This point, I'm hopeful you are clear what I'm trying to say. Time management and discipline. Friends, in case of online course coaching, you have to be disciplined. Nobody is going to manage your time. Nobody is going to gauge you that whether you are studying or not, whether you are present or not. So it is solely the self-discipline which you have to bring. Where in case of offline coaching, you have to physically go, attend classes. So one routine is being made, which might not be the case with the online coaching. So friends, this is all about the offline versus online coaching. मैं बस लास्ट में एक ही चीज कहना चाहूंगा. This is one of the beautiful quote which says, you can't teach people everything they need to know. The best you can do is position them where they can find what they need to know when they need to know it. It means, we can only create a learning environment for the individual. Learning is solely dependent on the individual, whether he or she wants to learn or he or she doesn't want to learn. मतलब कहने का, आप ऑफलाइन कोचिंग में जाइए या ऑनलाइन कोचिंग में जाइए, लर्निंग इज द इंडिविजुअल्स चॉइस. It is not something you can feed and the way individual will learn. So thank you very much friends. I hope you would have learned, you have got a clarity what you want to do with this. So only thing is, because of the COVID-19, we are not having offline option available as of now. Friends, I will say the time available with you is very limited. Don't waste your time. Wherever you are getting an opportunity to study online, I will also create a video which will tell you that how you should choose for an online coaching, which institute you should go, which you should not go. There are certain parameters which you should check, and basis that you should select which coaching institute you can opt for doing online coaching. So friends, thank you very much. If you really like this video, please like, subscribe. आपके कुछ comments हैं, please write down your comments. I will be more than happy to help you, to give you insight. And in the end, I will only say, if you are thinking of IIMs, think of Nimbus. Thank you very much.